Hey everybody, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Aaron Hendon with Christine and Company over at Keller Williams, excuse me. And I am here in beautiful sunny New Mexico on vacation with mi familia. And I wanted to give you a quick market update and let you know about how the new tax plan that was just passed is likely to or likely not to impact the Seattle real estate market. So you can watch the video that follows this. There's a lot of things to talk about this tax plan, and this is just a very narrow segment of it, and I'm not interested in getting into the politics of it. It's too aggravating, and it's too upsetting, and it's just too disturbing. However, there is a question that's valid called, will this tax plan negatively impact the Seattle real estate market? And that's what I wanted to address in the video. So enjoy that. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Let me know if you need anything in your real estate, in the world of real estate. And like I said, Happy New Year. Look forward to seeing you in 2018. Will the new tax plan negatively impact the Seattle real estate market? All right, I stole this graph from SeattleBubble.com, a fabulous blog. If you're interested at all in the ins and outs of Seattle real estate, this is a great straight shooting blog. I highly recommend you subscribe to it, SeattleBubble.com. Let's take a look at the data, the facts. So you can see the blues are the 2017 plan, the current plan. The orange and reds are, the oranges are the 2018 plan. So a couple of things about this to notice is that in the current plan, the 2017 plan, after you got to about $200,000 in home ownership, it made sense to itemize. Itemized pays less at about the $200,000 level than the standard deduction would allow you to pay. In the 2018 plan, that doubles. It goes to goes to $500,000. It doesn't pay to itemize until you get to about $500,000. And at $500,000, you pay less by itemizing. Couple things to note about that. One is, at no time are you ever paying more taxes, right? The current plan does, in fact, cut your taxes. You're paying less taxes in 2018 than you were in 2017, right? Everywhere across the board, you can see it is not a tax hike for homeowners. There's a complaint about it that says, given you're doubling the amount you need to spend before itemization makes sense, you're decreasing the incentive to buy a home. And while that's accurate, should not impact the Seattle market because there's so few homes under $500,000. While the incentive is not as great, the gap, the delta, is not as great over $500,000 as it used to be, there's still an incentive to own a home. You'll still pay less taxes by deducting that mortgage than you would otherwise. Okay, so it is in fact a tax break. One of the complaints people have is it's a tax break for the rich, and you can see that right here. The more expensive your home, the less taxes you're going to pay. That some people, I am one of them, have a problem with. However, that is the state of affairs with this particular tax plan. So it is not a tax hike on home ownership, nor should it negatively impact the market, just given anywhere across the board you're paying less as a homeowner than you would, and you are able to itemize over $500,000 and get a larger deduction than you would with the new standard deduction. And there are frankly so few homes under $500,000 in our market that for the most part you could not expect to see a negative impact of this tax plan on the Seattle real estate market. And if you have more questions, you can text me or email me or send me an email or whatever, Facebook, however you want to get a hold of me. Definitely subscribe to my friends over at SeattleBubble.com, a fabulous blog. Let me know if you have any questions about it. Let me know if you need anything in your real estate, in the world of real estate. And like I said, Happy New Year. Look forward to seeing you in 2018.